So let me talk about the future of transportation from a little different angle, from the alternative transportation standpoint. And we're seeing an absolute explosion of alternative transportation vehicles. And there's no good roads or trails to drive them on. I'm going to show you a few of them here. This is the Optibike. It's made in Boulder. It's a hybrid electric bicycle. This is a wheelchair. This is one sold in Best Buy. It's an electric motorcycle. This is an electric scooter sold in Sam's stores. This is a fuel cell vehicle that's on a drawing board for Daimler. Here's a fuel cell bicycle. This is a collapsible backpack bicycle, electric one. These are dog-powered vehicles. This is a tiny one-seater electric car. This is a two-wheeled car that runs with a joystick. This is the electric pod car. The e-cooter over in Taiwan. The TVA Gazelle. It tilts when you're leaning into a curve, it tilts with you. This is a wearable motorcycle design. The Peugeot high motion vehicle. The T3 motion is being used by police departments around the country. It's becoming quite popular. The Monotracer, an electric motorcycle. This is the Enicycle, battery powered. And this is the self-balancing unicycle. This is a little personal chariot device here. Honda's walking assist device. This probably looks a little weird, but it's actually quite the impressive piece of technology. This is a one-wheeled car being worked on by Audi. Segway came up with this two-wheeled car. Looks kind of funky. This is the Winglet by Toyota. Put it between your legs and you can just drive around. The iReal from Toyota. This is the Uno, an electric one-wheeled motorcycle. Another electric scooter, electropositive electric car, Blue Angel, electric taxis. This is an interesting four-wheeled one. I'm not sure the purpose of that fourth wheel. The Dareway, it's a Segway for kids. The Eve, another electric car. This is the IQ electric car scooter. This is the Orbis. The Pixie, a wheelchair concept. The Sparrow, electric skateboards. This one's collapsible. This one's another kind of electric skateboard. These are Segways. The military's playing around with Segways. Golf courses are using Segways. Some of the pizza delivery places are using Segways. You can do advertising on Segways. You can even put seats on them. These are some of the Segway knockoffs coming out of China. A Volvo concept vehicle, the AirPod, the stroller trikes, some of the Zigo carrier bicycles. The reason I showed you all of these, because there's literally thousands of them. This is just scratching the surface of some of them that I came across. The reason I showed you all these is because of, if we don't promote alternative transportation, we are by default promoting more car transportation. So if we don't create a place for these alternative vehicles, and they don't mesh well with being on the roads, so there's an opportunity here. No cities are well equipped for this kind of transportation. Well, for this kind of car, I don't think we should ever make an exception. But there's literally thousands of these vehicles out there, and there's virtually no roads or trails to drive them on. So creating an alternative transportation district, I think there's a huge opportunity here. And if you go down that path, all of the manufacturing companies, the distributorships, they will all want to be located in your city because it's an alternative transportation-friendly city. Lots of interesting options there.